Good morning, here from Panama City. Today we are continuing our journey to every country in the world. And yeah, starting the trip here in Panama, ending in Belize, hitting all 7 countries in Central America. And yeah, I'm psyched for today. Gonna be hopping on the metro with one of the local skaters. He's gonna be showing me around. Gonna check out, I think it's the main skate park called Cinta Costera 3. Believe that is the only skate park in this area. If not, it's one of the biggest and like the main one. It's built a couple of years ago. We're gonna learn more about it as the day goes on, but yeah, psyched to explore the city and see what Panama has to offer. Sweet, you guys normally go to the skate park like super early around here?
Yeah, for the hot sun,
Yeah.
10 in the morning,
Yeah.
super hot,
Okay.
Super hot. You know Spanish?
A little bit.
What's up, dude?
Okay.
Is queso pa.
Queso pa?
Queso pa.
Queso pa.
You say queso pa to any way or whatever Panaman
Yeah.
boy. Now is your homie.
Okay. Queso pa.
Queso pa.
Oh yeah, fish. I smell that. Definitely a fish market over here. Yeah. Oh yeah.
All this is Cinta Costera.
Cinta Costera?
This is the Cinta Costera 2.
So you run like a skate camp over here or a skate school? Or?
Que se sigue una escuela de skate aquí. Do you have a skate
I have
school?
a school.
Yeah?
Panama Skate School.
How long have you been doing it?
¿Cuánto tiempo tengo? Maybe 2 years.
2 years?
2 years, yeah.
And how many kids?
15 kids.
15?
Yeah, más o menos. 40 and 50.
Nice.
She's one of my students.
Nice.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
¿Cuántos meses tienes?
In classes with him for 2 or 3 months
Yeah.
and skating 6 months.
6 months?
Yeah.
So you started during like the pandemic or what?
Yeah,
Nice.
I downloaded TikTok and I saw ooh, skating looks really cool.
Yeah.
And I just bought a skateboard and
That's
I've never
incredible.
stopped skating since I bought it.
That's awesome.
Chad,
We're going to chat.
How are you?
Good.
Good.
Go.
Nice to meet you. Welcome.
Nice to meet you, Chad.
Welcome to the summer. It's gonna be pretty hot.
Yeah, I can't wait.
So get ready.
There you go, man. Chad.
First time having the
Yeah.
Metro was closed.
Yeah.
Oh,
That's all right. It's a big
all the
bus.
stations. All.
I never saw that before. Weird.
Never.
Really?
Never. The first time.
Some-
How did you?
Perfect. Yeah. Nice. Alright, I think I'm gonna try to get a trick on this little oververt wall right here. First, to go for the rock fakie. I've been told feeble fakie's NBD on it, so might have to give it a shot.
Do it, do it.
Alright, maybe feeble.
Boy. Do it, do it. Woo! You feel like a float.
That was scary. Thanks. Yeah.
Wow.
Thanks for showing me. I have to take a break after that. I think I ripped my pants.
No, that's nothing. That's nothing.
Thanks for filming.
Nothing, boy. You got an NBD.
Thank you, thank you. Yeah. What's the hottest part of the day?
¿Cuál es?
The hottest time of the day?
10.
Yeah, like 12 or 1?
10 and 12. ¿Cómo es? La hora más caliente.
12.
12?
Yeah, midday.
Yeah, I feel it.
Yeah, ¿qué hora es ahorita?
10:30 right now.
Oh, really? So it's gonna get even hotter.
Yeah.
Couple more minutes.
Just like
Go
chill.
to
This is
the
good?
Chill-ish.
Okay.
But at 12, sun just burns.
All right. Couple more clips and then maybe head
Yeah,
to
yeah.
town or something.
for rest, and after this, let's go to more skating.
Oh my God. Damn. That was sick. Hell yeah.
Shit.
Yeah. Second try?
Second try.
Not bad.
That's my favorite.
Okay, so this is like the hottest part of the day right now. This is usually when everyone just leaves, gets some food, cools off, relaxes. So that's what we're gonna do. And then, yeah, we'll probably come back, do some more skating, maybe hit some street spots. Thanks. You got it?
Dale, dale, tú sí coreas. Oli, ahí, agáchate.
Those are some big avocados.
Ya, si eso es para comer, este está demasiado. Nunca encontré aguacates.
How much is that?
$2.
$2?
Yeah.
Damn. Oh, yeah.
Bueno, de lado, no, aquí nadie me está burlando. No, está huevado.
Go!
Hey,
yeah.
Y eso que tengo años, que tú sabes que yo soy primo aquí, desde que se metió a él.
Alright guys, just pulled up to one of the most famous spots in Panama. What do you call this, the 3 up, 3 down?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Porras.
Okay, day one of the trip. Just cracked my nose on a flat ground frontside shove it. It's not all the way through, so we should be able to keep skating it, but I've been riding at 8.2 for like my whole life. I just switched to 8.5. Yeah.
More
Big.
more
Not
big,
used to
more
it.
big, yes.
Sick. Oh, yeah.
Go, no.
That's your board company right there?
Yeah.
What's it called?
Causadias Skateboards.
Alright.
Causadias Skateboards.
What inspired you to start the company? What inspired you to start the company?
My house?
Yeah?
Yeah, and all the my homies and everything. We used to hang out in my place every day after the session.
Okay.
So there was one time that all the homies was, hey, let's go to Causadias, like party house. Let's go to Causadias. And I was like, hey, you know,
Yeah.
I'm gonna start a brand and call it like that because for me it has a lot of meaning, you know?
Yeah. Are there a lot of companies in Panama?
Not a lot, but
No.
there are like 2 or 3 that with mine that are going big, you know,
Nice.
are going very, we are having very support, a lot of support from
Yeah.
all the community.
That's awesome. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh!
Yes!
Yeah! Yes! Alright, that's going to be a wrap for today's video. Shout out to Angelo and everyone for showing me around. Make sure to check out Angelo's Instagram and his skate school. I'll link it all up in the description so you guys can check it out. Alright, see you guys in the next video.